In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users and set permissions in HubSpot, a crucial task for managing your team's access and ensuring smooth collaboration. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to HubSpot. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot login page. After entering your credentials, you'll be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're in, let's head to the next step. Look towards the upper right corner of your dashboard. There you'll find a gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings. Give that a click. This will open up the settings menu where you'll have a variety of options to configure and personalize your HubSpot experience. Next, you'll want to locate the Users and Teams option in the left-hand sidebar within the settings page. Clicking this will take you to a new page dedicated to user management. Here is where you can view, add, or edit user settings within your HubSpot account. On the Users and Teams page, glance towards the upper right once more, and you'll spot a button that says Create User. Click on that button. This action sets the stage for adding a new member to your team. So let's proceed. In the form that appears, you'll need to type in the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure it's correctly inputted to avoid any errors in sending the invitation. This email is crucial because that's how the new user will accept their invitation and gain access. After entering the email address, you'll see a Next button. Click it to move forward in the process. This takes you to the permission setting page, which is a vital part of ensuring the user has the right level of access. Now, it's time to assign a seat or access level to this new user. HubSpot allows different types of access depending on the user's role in your organization. Carefully consider what permissions this person should have to make sure they can perform their tasks without overstepping into restrictive areas. Once you've assigned the appropriate access, go ahead and click Next again. You're almost done with the setup. This confirmation ensures everything you've entered so far is correct before you finalize the addition. Now, you'll want to click on Create User. This action sends an invitation to the email address you entered earlier. The recipient will need to accept this invitation to become an active user in your HubSpot account. Finally, click Done. This wraps up the process, confirming that the new user setup is complete. Make sure to inform your new team member to check their email for the invitation and guide them on any next steps they'll need to take. And that sums up how you can add and set permissions for users in HubSpot. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to manage your team's access efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful HubSpot tips.